Wooden functional art. Creative and stylish handmade designs for everyday use. Wood has always been a material of both function and beauty. From the earliest handcrafted tools to today's modern artistic innovations, wood has remained a timeless medium for crafting pieces that serve a purpose while also enhancing aesthetics. But when we talk about wooden functional art, we go beyond traditional furniture or decorative carvings. Functional art is a unique fusion of utility and creativity, where objects are not just practical, but also visually stunning. Let's explore how wooden functional art transforms everyday items into extraordinary pieces, blending craftsmanship, sustainability, and design innovation. Wood, as a natural material, has a warmth and authenticity that no synthetic material can fully replicate. It carries an organic feel that enhances the atmosphere of any space, making functional art made from wood an incredible addition to any home, office, or public setting. But what exactly makes wooden functional art special? Unlike standard furniture or decor, functional wooden art integrates artistic expression into practical items. Think about wooden lamps shaped like intricate trees, coffee tables with flowing sculptural designs, or even everyday kitchenware that looks like museum-worthy creations. These aren't just objects, they're experiences, bringing both usability and a deep sense of admiration. One of the most captivating aspects of functional wooden art is its ability to showcase craftsmanship in everyday life. Consider hand-carved wooden clocks. These are not just timepieces, but also artistic centerpieces that enhance any wall or shelf. Unlike mass-produced plastic alternatives, wooden clocks can be designed with detailed engravings, layered textures, or even mechanical wooden gears that give them an entirely handcrafted appeal. The grain of the wood, combined with its hand-finished surface, adds an organic and timeless touch that feels both rustic and contemporary at the same time. Another stunning example of functional wooden art is custom shelving. Shelves aren't just storage solutions. When crafted artistically, they become a statement in any room. Picture floating wooden shelves that curve like waves, geometric wooden shelving units that create a mesmerizing pattern, or even tree branch-inspired bookshelves that bring a natural, whimsical touch to an interior. Functional yet highly aesthetic, these pieces break the monotony of standard storage while transforming walls into artistic focal points. Then there's the art of wooden seating. Chairs, benches, and stools don't have to be just simple places to sit. They can be sculptural works that redefine space. A hand-carved wooden bench with flowing organic curves turns a simple sitting area into an artistic masterpiece. Wooden rocking chairs with intricate cutout patterns or multi-layered textures bring a new level of sophistication to traditional seating. Even stools made from solid irregularly shaped with slabs embrace both nature's raw beauty and modern craftsmanship, creating a seamless blend of function and style. Now, let's not forget wooden lighting designs. Lighting is essential in any space, but when crafted from wood, it brings warmth and artistic charm. Pendant lamps made from finely cut wooden panels can create mesmerizing shadow effects, while sculptural wooden lamps inspired by nature, like tree branches, birds, or cascading waterfalls, offer a harmonious balance between artistry and practicality. Wooden table lamps with intricate laser-cut patterns allow light to filter through in beautiful designs, turning something as basic as a lamp into an artistic experience. The kitchen is another space where wooden functional art thrives. Wooden cutting boards, for example, don't have to be flat and plain. They can be shaped into elegant, curved forms, engraved with intricate details, or even designed as multi-purpose boards with built-in compartments for slicing and serving. Wooden utensils, such as hand-carved spoons and ladles, combine ergonomics with traditional craftsmanship, offering a tactile experience that mass-produced plastic simply cannot match. Even wooden serving trays and bowls can take on sculptural designs that make dining feel more intimate and artistic. One of the most exciting aspects of functional wooden art is its role in sustainability. With the growing movement toward eco-friendly materials, wood has become a popular choice for designers and artisans who want to create pieces that are both practical and environmentally responsible. Reclaimed wood, for instance, is being transformed into breathtaking works of functional art. Old barnwood, salvaged logs, and repurposed furniture are given new life in the form of statement pieces that carry history, character, and sustainability. Each grain, knot, and texture tells a story, making these pieces more than just furniture. They're pieces of art with soul. Beyond the home, functional wooden art extends to urban spaces. Imagine wooden bus stops shaped like modern sculptures, wooden bike racks that integrate artistic design with functionality, or even wooden park benches with intricate carvings that showcase local culture and history. Public spaces benefit greatly from wooden functional art because it brings warmth, creativity, and an organic feel to otherwise industrial settings. Customization also plays a huge role in wooden functional art. Unlike mass-produced products, handcrafted wooden pieces allow for personalization. Whether the name engraved on a wooden desk organizer, a custom-shaped wooden phone stand, or a completely one-of-a-kind dining table designed to fit a specific space, wooden functional art celebrates individuality. Perhaps one of the most innovative trends in this space is interactive wooden designs. Picture a wooden wall panel that slides to reveal hidden compartments, a coffee table with built-in puzzles, or a lamp that changes shape when adjusted. These creations bring a playful and engaging element to functional art, making everyday objects more than just static pieces, but rather interactive experiences. At its core, wooden functional art celebrates craftsmanship, creativity, and everyday beauty. It transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, turning simple objects into conversation starters. When you own a piece of functional wooden art, you're not just acquiring a product. You're bringing a story into your home. A story of skilled artisans, natural materials, and innovative design. So, if you're looking for ways to enhance your space while embracing both artistry and practicality, consider wooden functional art. Whether it's a handcrafted clock, an intricately designed chair, a sculptural wooden lamp, or a beautifully crafted kitchen piece, these items offer a unique blend of beauty and purpose. They remind us that art isn't just for museums. It's something we can integrate into our daily lives, making each moment more inspiring. Wooden functional art is more than just craftsmanship. It's a way to bring warmth, creativity, and purpose into everyday life. Unlike mass-produced furniture or decor, these handcrafted pieces carry the soul of their creators, the uniqueness of natural wood, and the ability to transform an ordinary space into something truly special. They remind us that function and beauty don't have to be separate. In fact, they work best when they come together in perfect harmony. Think about the power of wood as a material. It's alive in a way that no synthetic alternative can replicate. Each grain pattern, each knot, and each curve tells a story of nature, time, and transformation. When artisans work with wood, they're not just shaping an object. They're bringing out the hidden beauty within, allowing the material itself to shine. A wooden lamp doesn't just illuminate a room, it creates an atmosphere. A sculptural wooden bench isn't just for sitting. It invites admiration. A simple wooden clock doesn't just tell time. It tells a story of precision, patience, and artistry. But what makes functional wooden art truly special is the personal connection it creates. When you own a handcrafted wooden piece, you're not just bringing home a product. You're welcoming a piece of history, a symbol of sustainability, and a work of passion. It's a reminder that the best designs don't just serve a purpose. They evoke an emotion. They inspire creativity, spark conversation, and make everyday moments feel extraordinary. And let's not forget the environmental aspect. Choosing wooden functional art means choosing sustainability, especially when using reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood. Every piece that's repurposed, every offcut that's transformed into something beautiful, helps reduce waste and preserve natural resources. In a world dominated by disposable goods, wooden functional art stands as a testament to longevity, quality, and respect for nature. So whether you're drawn to intricately designed shelving, sculptural seating, artistic lighting, or interactive wooden creations, one thing is clear. Wooden functional art has the power to elevate spaces and enrich lives. It reminds us that beauty isn't just meant to be admired from a distance. It's meant to be lived with, interacted with, and appreciated every single day. In the end, wooden functional art isn't just about design. It's about experience. It's about turning the simplest of objects into something meaningful, something that speaks to the soul. And that is the true essence of art, not just to be seen, but to be felt in every moment of life.